Yo, what's up vloggings? Dwayne here back with another vlog. Actually, I'm not gonna do a vlog. By the way guys, I'm gonna do the Fidget Wednesdays and we're gonna do a fidget spinner spin test. And who's gonna be the longest gonna win, and yeah. But before we gonna do it, I'm gonna give you a quick heads up. Then okay, I'm gonna give fidget spinners if I get only 100 subscribers. And okay guys, and that's all I'm gonna say. And by the way guys, there's still one thing I'm gonna say. Follow me on Instagram. It's Dwayne. Daily vlogger 01. As you can see, like the daily vlogger and 01. I'm gonna type it right here. It's right here. And yeah guys, I'm gonna give you 4 facts only. The first fact, that I eat Jolly Spaghetti, chicken spaghetti at Jollibee. Fact number 2, that I always wear a jacket every time we go some other places. Fact number 3, I am scared of the darkness. Lastly, fact number 4, but I don't know what to say, but I really like fidget spinners. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you my drawings right here. I'm gonna show you one of them here. I'm gonna show you them. So as you can see, there's Deadpool, Spider-Man, Phineas and Ferb, my schedule, 3D, and Ninja Turtles, Chibi. And yeah, so by the way guys, there's this fidget spinners right here, and I'm gonna go right there, and I'm gonna run as fast as I can. So okay guys, that was very tiring. So that fidget spinner does not work, so I'm gonna do this too, see who's gonna win. So let's see the timer now. Now here it is, the timer. So let's start with this one. Now let's start it. Stop. Now it's 39 seconds and 63 seconds, I think. And the next one I'm gonna do is time lapse this. So let's go to the next one. Sorry guys for this, because I pressed this, so the winner is this one. So okay, the end of this vlog video talk. So guys, if you want these fidget spinners, just let us make this channel into 100 subscribers. So if you really want this, just comment down below if you want this, and if we just get 100 subscribers, I'm gonna give you one. So peace out. Just always like the video, then it's daily bro, and peace out.